Hi there, it's Grant here and thanks for joining me. So today is just a quick video, but I want to share with you a really interesting blog post from the Palm Beach Research Group, which is Teeka Tiwari's company, or he part owns it anyway, where one of his analysts and Teeka himself reveal how the courts are siding with the crypto industry against the SEC. This is huge, and should the crypto industry basically win against the SEC, it could be some massive things for Bitcoin and crypto, and we could see that could be the trigger for the crypto bull run, but we aren't there yet, but we're getting closer. I'm also going to have a look at the latest crypto prices, just give you a quick market roundup, and that is what we are going to do today. So if you like the video, why not subscribe to get more content like this. Also, before I get into the video, I just want to bring to your attention my brand new website, which is called Investment of a Decade, www.investmentofthedecade.com. This is the way I sort of share the latest Bitcoin, crypto, and investing news and data delivered to you. It's only just launched, so as you can see, there's a couple of articles on there that may interest you. So yeah, all sorts of stuff on there, mixture of news, education, and obviously data. I've also got a crypto insider newsletter, which is a weekly newsletter, which is dropped every Monday, where basically I'll give you an update on the crypto market and what's happening in under 5 minutes, and also you also get notified when we release new blog posts. So anyway, if you want to check out the new website I've got and read the articles, or join the Crypto Insider newsletter, link below down in the description. Okay, so let's crack on. So let's have a look at what's going on here. So I'm just going to skim read this for you so you know what all this means. So it says, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, the verdicts are coming in and they suggest crypto is the big winner. On Thursday, a new court dismissed a proposed class action lawsuit against leading decentralized crypto exchange Uniswap. The suit alleged Uniswap was responsible for causing harm to investors by allowing scam tokens to be issued and traded on the protocol. We won't get into all the details of the case, but the big takeaway is this. In a ruling, Judge Catherine Polk Fiala, more on her in a moment, classified Ethereum as a commodity, which Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, hasn't done. This is a major win for crypto, and here's why. It put Ethereum under the jurisdiction of a Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CTFC, instead of the SEC. The major difference between the two agencies is the SEC regulates securities trading and the CFTC, can't put my words out, regulates commodities trading. While the SEC is doing everything it can to derail crypto adoption, the CFTC is aligning with the industry on regulatory reform. That ruling comes on the heels of Tuesday's major court run victory with Grayscale Investments. This is another thing as well. The company applied to convert its Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC, to a spot exchange traded fund, ETF. The SEC naturally rejected its application because it doesn't like crypto. However, a federal appeals court sided with Grayscale and ordered the SEC to vacate the rejection of Grayscale's ETF filing. In the order, the court's panel of judges said the SEC was arbitrary and capricious for approving Bitcoin futures ETFs but rejecting a spot Bitcoin ETF. In July, the SEC also lost a lawsuit against Ripple, in which it claims the founders were selling unregistered securities with the sale of an XRP token. The judge in that case ruled that XRP is a security when sold to institutional investors, but not when sold to the public on exchanges like Coinbase. This was a major victory for the entire space because the SEC has attempted to label all cryptos as securities aside from Bitcoin. The ruling pushes back against that idea. And remember Judge Fiala? She's presiding over the SEC's case against Coinbase, the country's largest crypto exchange. So this is another good sign for crypto. And here's a snippet of what Teeka Tiwari recently said about Tuesday's landmark ruling in favour of Grayscale. So Teeka says, now let me be very clear. Nothing is easy when it comes to crypto and crypto adoption. So I fully expect the SEC will drag its feet and come out with new reasons to why it doesn't want to approve a Bitcoin ETF. But the writing is on the wall. We're going to get a Bitcoin ETF. The court unanimously came out and just executed every single point the SEC tried to bring up for why it should not allow a spot settled Bitcoin ETF. To me, it's not whether we're going to have an ETF, it's just a question of time and basically when. Now that this ruling is in place, it's removed a massive hurdle for Bitcoin ETFs to get approved. So it says, as Teeka says, the war isn't over yet. On Thursday, SEC delayed a decision on spot Bitcoin ETF application for BlackRock, Fidelity, and several other financial firms. No surprise there. So don't expect it to go down without a fight, but the writing is on the wall. We're getting much closer to regulatory clarity around crypto. And once the SEC approves a spot Bitcoin ETF, and Teeka believes it eventually will, it's off to the races. So this is the key takeaway. So take advantage of this low in the crypto market to position yourself now. Once the train leaves the station, it'll be too late. And that is basically the article. So the big idea of this is the SEC is slowly losing the battle against crypto. The SEC doesn't like crypto and he wants to control it and quash it. But I think eventually it is going to fail. I mean, the SEC up against financial giants like BlackRock, which is the $10 trillion financial giant, I don't think it's going to win that against that beast. So it's only a matter of time, before a Bitcoin spot ETF fund gets approved. And once it does, billions of dollars from institutional investors are going to flow into these funds and get exposure to Bitcoin, meaning that pretty much overnight Bitcoin could 2 or 3x. And that could be the trigger for the crypto bull run. No one knows when the crypto bull run is going to happen, but I suspect some people are saying at the end of this year, other people saying 2024 after Bitcoin's halving. We just don't know. But usually the crypto bull run happens after some unique event or news. And this could be the event or piece of news that just allows billions of dollars to flow into crypto. Because let's be honest, crypto has been pretty much boring all summer. Apart from that crash that happened a couple of weeks ago, nothing much is happening. In fact, what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to show you what's happening in the crypto market. So yeah, over the past, so Bitcoin's currently sitting at 25,745, down 5.9% on over the past 7 days. Ethereum is sitting at 1,636. So yeah, not a lot is really happening with crypto at the moment. It's pretty boring. We're just waiting for something to ignite the crypto industry and allow billions of dollars to flow in. I think the rest of this year is, I don't think there's a whole lot's going to happen this year unless the SEC eventually approves a Bitcoin spot ETF, which it could do, but I think it's more likely to be next year. Or if another huge piece of news comes out of, like, obviously a negative is that the Fed keep putting up interest rates, which will make investors cautious, and hence less money is going to pour into crypto, and which will, crypto prices are going to fall further. But yeah, we could equally get some positive news that one of these spot Bitcoin ETFs get approved. And when we do, we are off to the races, because tens of billions, if not maybe even hundreds of billions of dollars, it's going to flow into crypto very, very quickly. And that's probably going to be one of the main triggers for the crypto bull run. So whilst this isn't financial advice, but while pretty much Bitcoin's trading well below 30,000 at 25 roughly, and Ethereum's at 1.6, now is the time to load up with your favorite crypto coins. Because if you wait until money pours in and prices soar, you are already too late. Teeka Tiwari said, the next crypto bull run could be the last one before crypto finally goes mainstream in the next 5 to 7 years. So this could be one of your last chances to buy Bitcoin, at a reasonable price, and maybe Ethereum as well. Because, once spot Bitcoin ETF gets approved, it's not out of the realms of possibility Bitcoin could exceed $100,000, and probably by the end of next year, after the halving and during the crypto bull market, Bitcoin could be at $125,000 to $150,000 easily. And Ethereum, could be between $10,000 to $12,000. So now is the time. Don't sit on the feds. Pick a strategy. Pick your coins, maybe 5 to 10 coins. Pick your budget. Obviously, never invest more than you can afford to lose, and start putting some money into crypto. Obviously, that isn't financial advice, but yeah, now is the time to prepare for the crypto bull run if you're going to participate in the next crypto bull run. So basically, that's what I've got for you today. An very interesting piece from Teeka and his analyst, but obviously the crypto market, nothing really much is happening at the moment in terms of prices. We're still, not a lot happening, but I feel we're basically in the calm before the storm. We're just it's all building for a big event to trigger billions of dollars to come into crypto. I just feel it. Even if we might see some price dips on negative news in relation to the economy and interest rates going up further, possibly, I still feel that in the next 4 to 6 months, something's going to happen, positive's going to happen in crypto, and we're going to be off to the races. Anyway, that's what I've got for you today. Hope you liked the video. Why not subscribe to the channel to get more content like this? If you love Teeka Tiwari's stuff, then why not join his Pumish letter and let him help you prepare for the crypto bull run? And also, if you're not that keen on getting in on the digital dollar, why not sign up to Teeka Tiwari's Pumish letter? Basically, in it, get access to all of his reports and his crypto master course, which he guides you step by step of how to invest, hold, stake, and trade crypto, including Bitcoin, among others. And you can get a lot of his crypto picks inside the Pumish letter as well. You can get it today for 75% off the normal price for $49. Normally $199, but you can get it now for $49. If you want to check it out and join and see if it's right for you, I'll put a link down below in the comments and description below. Also, if you want to check out my site, investmentofadecade.com, I'll link to this down in the comments below, and you can read the articles. And if you want to sign up to my Crypto Insider newsletter, you can do by hitting this button here or going here. So that's what I've got for you. Hope you found the video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.